Hi friends, it's Anne here, and today's video we have an unboxing. So we have the Colourpop mystery box unboxing. This is supposed to be the medium-sized box. I can't recall the size of what other people's were. I feel like this looks a little small in person, but it also feels really jam-packed. So I'm wondering if, like, when they sent it to Canada, they sent them in smaller boxes potentially. We'll find out once we unpack it. I have watched a number of other Colourpop mystery unboxings. I watched a few before I even bought this, and while I was like not blown away by the selection of products that I saw, I was intrigued by a fair number of them. And I also don't have a lot of Colourpop at all in my collection, and I don't think I've tried anything from any of the sister brands like Fourth Ray or Soul, so I figure I saw some people get some of those products. So yeah, I'll stop blabbing and we'll just get into opening this. I'll put all the pricing of everything on the screen of like what I paid for the box and all that stuff. As a Canadian, it's probably not a really good deal. And as usual, I forgot to use like a code, like people have codes and I totally forgot. Actually, that reminds me, maybe I should just find out if I can get a code. Like, can anybody get a code? Am I cool enough for a code? Definitely not cool enough for a code, but you know, I guess it doesn't hurt to ask. Maybe I should try that with Cleona as well. Like, that's another brand that I was like, I'm pretty sure they have affiliate codes. I don't have one, but I would like one because I like saving. I like giving savings. I like saving myself. There's a chance to save like 5-10%, anything. Okay. Again, I kind of know the kinds of items that might be in this, but I don't know exactly what I'm getting. So go with this that's on top, and it's really smushed. I'm guessing this is a brush. Doesn't say anything on it. Oh, yeah, there we are. Medium fluff brush. Fluffy is squishy. Medium fluff brush. I don't have any of their brushes. I've always been skeptical of their like skincare stuff. I've said this before, like makeup brands that do skincare. But I mean, some people, like I know Emily Noel likes some of them. So here is what the brush looks like. It's a nice little size. I don't think I'm in focus. There we go. I like the handle. It's like a nice, like, coppery gold kind of handle. Nice size for, like, highlight, blush, maybe a little under the eye. Yeah. I can definitely use that. Okay, this one is on top. I saw a lot of people get this. I'm happy to get this one. There was another one I kind of think I might have liked more, but this one was, like, kind of second. So this is the Animal Crossing 5-Star Island. I have never played Animal Crossing. I play video games, but I don't have a Switch. I just have an Xbox 360. I know I need to upgrade and get a new console. But there's a lot of games I bought like years ago that I never played. So like I kind of been working through some of those games. And I usually only play games in the wintertime, to be honest. Anyway, total tangent. This is what it looks like. Again, I think a lot of people have shown this on screen. Pretty cute. I like these colors. The one that I was kind of more hoping for was the purple one, because I think that was more up my alley. At least where my like tastes are right now. But this is like, pinks and purples are kind of my jam. Oh, that one's like a chunky glitter. Not sure how I feel about that one. That shade is the Island Designer. It's like the pinky glitter shade. Light pink glitter shade is very chunky. I mean, I don't mind the glitter shade. It just looks like it's going to be pretty interesting to work with. So yeah, those are the shades from the 5-Star Island. See, I don't know anything about Animal Crossing. I think her name is Isabel, or Isabella, the little character on here. I need to speed this up. I'm already like, oh, okay, let's get through this. This is definitely the medium box because there's a lot in here. So the next thing I have is a pressed glitter. I don't mind pressed glitters. I know other people don't like them. This one is called Sweet and Sour. I get though that they are like the herpes of the craft world. Like they're not an everyday thing. But I like to play with them until I have to clean up. This one's really pretty. It's like it's pink and gold. Actually goes quite well with that Star Island. This actually feels pretty nice for a glitter. It's not super, like it's kind of soft. Not super gritty. And it's pretty opaque. So that's it right there. It's quite pretty. I like it. Again, maybe it's not an everyday item, but it's definitely something I can use. Next up is this Colourpop So Juicy Plumping Gloss. I'm pretty excited to have this. I've wanted to try these, but We all know I have way too many lip products, so getting in a mystery box is okay, right? And I like the shade of this one. I don't know. Oh, there's the shade name there. Partly Rowdy. Do you know me? I'm really liking this shade. Probably not going to show up on my hand if I do a swatch. Why is my camera not focusing? There we go. Let's maybe just do a quick swatch here. See? Maybe. Pretty thick. Hopefully, yeah, you can see it there on the side of my hand. It's pretty sheer. I think I'm going to like that, though. The only thing is I can think of is it might be a lot like the Lancome ones, Juicy Tubes, which I find are a bit thick, too. And I'm not, like, a huge fan of that. I don't hate it, but I'm not a huge fan of it. You know what I mean? Okay, this looks cute. What is this? Cream gel liner. BFF cream gel liner. I'm just saying it looks cute because the box that it's in, this must be from a collection. So it's got little cherries on it. Is there a cherry collection? This is in the shade Jubilee. I think these are eyeliners. This is an interesting color. I don't have anything like this. So it's a very bright fuchsia pink. If I don't like it as an eyeliner, I can always use it as a lip liner. It's very smooth and creamy though. I think it's coming across maybe a little, this color always doesn't show on camera. It's almost showing a little more orangey red, but it's definitely more of like a fuchsia. Excited to have that. And like, yeah, super cute packaging. Like the lid has got little cherries and stars on it. Look how cute that is. Super cute. Yeah, even my nails aren't even looking as fuchsia-y. Like it's basically the same color as my nail polish. It's more of that like hot pink kind of color. Okay, this is what I'm concerned about. Yeah, I got the same thing. So I talked about this. It'll already be posted. I got the Act Natural mascara in the shade brown. I was kind of hoping I'd get the black in the box. I kind of thought I was going to be the brown in the box, and I should have. It was an add-on when I bought the order to add on like a free mascara, so I should have maybe just picked the black because I was almost certain I was going to get the brown in here. Start to hear horns honking. This is City Life, so I'm not going to open that. I might put this in a giveaway. I'm thinking about doing a giveaway. I'm close to like 1250 in subscribers, and I was like, that's a kind of nice roundish number to do a giveaway. So we'll see. Might be one coming up soon. Okay, next up we have the Fourth Ray. So this is what I was talking about. I've never tried anything from this brand, and I'm kind of curious. I was pretty skeptical of this stuff, but I know, like I said, Emily Noel likes it. This is the Watermelon Face Milk, and it says it's balancing and a moisture booster. I'm kind of really loving the pink. My box is very pink so far. There's a lot of pink going on. Do you know me? Do you know me, Colourpop? I like pink, so there we're focused. I'm just gonna, I'm curious to know. How do people use these? Like at what stage do you use this in your skincare? It totally looks like strawberry milk. Like I want to drink it. So I don't know if I can get it. There it is on my hand. Little dot on my hand. It smells watermelon-y. Yeah, it definitely smells watermelon-y. And it's more like the candied watermelon. So it feels soft. I'm guessing I'll use this like right at the end. Oh, I don't know when I'm going to use this. I was going to say at the end of my makeup before I put like a thicker moisturizer on. However, spoiler alert, I've just finished my toner. I don't have a moisturizing toner, which I keep meaning to buy. Maybe this might work as a first step. I just like to, like right after I wash my face, put something on it that's a little moisturizing before I start going in with all my other skincare. Also because sometimes I just do that and then I do my other skincare later. Maybe. I usually do my, like, that step and then it's like, for example, in the morning, if I just want to quickly wash my face and get Harley at the door, I still want to put some moisturizing type thing on my face, but I don't want to worry about, like, slathering on a moisturizer. So I like a moisturizing toner. I know I totally overthink this, but that's how it is. Anyway, yeah, it's a nice smell. It's a light watermelon smell. It's not super strong either. Okay, this is obviously from another collection. This is a Lippie Stix. Looks like a giraffe pattern. What is the shade? Sassy. Sassy is the shade. I don't know if this is a matte. I like the packaging of this too. Like this is different than any of the other Lippie Stix, like the white ones. Does Colourpop do this usually? Like is there usually these different color ones? The camera does not want to focus. Okay, let's just swatch. Ooh, this is dark. This is nice. This is like fall ready. Oh yeah, I'm gonna like this. This is giving me, like it's a nice chocolate brown, but there's like a pinkness to it that like, I kind of want to try it on right now. I'm actually wearing a lippy stick. I'm wearing my Kiddo lippy stick from my project pan. And I have the Wild Nothing palette on my eyes today, which you would have seen that I hauled. I actually hauled that with this, or bought that with this, but obviously did not haul them together. Okay, excited for that. So far, like, there's nothing in here that I'm not excited about. Is that weird? I get easily excited about things. So we also have a Lippie pencil here. This is in the shade Field Day. This looks nice. It looks pretty similar to like every other one that I buy though. It's like this brown. I'm curious to know how similar it is to the little one that I bought. Although I'm noticing the little one is pretty pale. So I actually have the little one on today. It's actually a really pale liner. I didn't realize how pale it was. Oh, this will go really well with that Lippie Stix too. I mean, it's lighter, but I'm liking that color a lot. I might even like this more than the little one that I bought. It's like a brown, a pinky brown, but like super neutral. I'm curious to know, yeah, what this is like compared to some of my other lip liners, because it's definitely like, if I could pick a lip liner, it's going to be in this shade. Okay, we got two, looks like Super Shock shadows here or something. No, one Super Shock shadow and a Jelly Matte shadow. Yes, okay, so this is the Jelly Matte shadow in She Grown. Again, this is from another collection. I think it's the Garden Variety collection, or the Garden Variety was the palette. It was another palette that I've been eyeing up that I think really want as well, but I'm just trying to like not buy all the things. Oh my gosh, this looks so similar to like, I have so many other things like this. That pinky, again, pink. This whole thing is pinky gold. So hopefully you can see. I've got like the one shadow from Ace Beauté like this. I've got the stuff in my Project Pan that's like this in that palette that I'm like, what else do I have that's like this? I need to do a shade comparison. I'm super excited to try this. I've heard these are pretty good. You can see that reflect. So there it is on the top of my hand. It's got quite the reflect. That looks really, really nice. Super excited to have that too. We'll see how that dries down as we move along here. Still feeling a little wet, which is good and bad. You don't want it to dry too fast. And then again, the other one is a Super Shock shadow from whatever this collection was that the Lippie Stix came from. I'm actually seeing a lot of things here like that are different. I mean, it's the same kind of products, but different items than what other people got. And this is in the shade Basic Instinct. It looks just like a deep brown. I don't know if there's, yeah, it's like a satiny. Again, very nice color, very wearable. I'd almost wear this as a bronzer maybe. Oh, it's pretty deep. Be pretty deep as a bronzer. That's it right there. Hopefully you can see it on my hand. It's got a bit of a sheen to it, but it's like satin. It's not like super metallic. Super happy about that too. Again, potentially a bronzer. I don't know how it would be like maybe with a light fluffy brush could work, but definitely an eyeshadow. And then there's one last item in here. I kind of have an idea what it is. It's not the exact one I wanted, but I'm really curious to try this out. So this is the Soul Body Shimmering Dry Oil. Again, this is clearly from a collection, I think. This is in, oh, this would be the wine collection because this is in Sangria. It's probably going to be dark. Oh no, it's not as dark as I thought it would be. So these look so pretty. You can see how pretty that looks. Let's put this on the back of my hand and see what it's like. I've always wanted to try these, but these seem like a fantasy self item and not like an item that I would normally use or pay for. But again, came in a mystery box, that's fine, right? Has a bit of a smell. I can't quite put my finger on it. It actually smells like something from Bath & Body Works. I have it on the back of my hand there, but you can't even see the shimmers. It's just like the oil. Again, I'll see how that like absorbs in. No idea if this is focusing on my hand. So yeah, you can't really see any of the shimmer, but that's like the oil. Maybe a bit of the shimmer? No, I can't see the shimmer at all. That's just the shine from the oil. Let's just rub it in. Interesting. I thought this for sure would be like glittery on the skin. Okay, I can see some glitters, but like not nearly as much as I thought. Like it's actually probably wearable and not noticeable that you have little teeny glitters. So that's nice. Okay, so just a quick recap of everything that I got. There was this Soul Shimmering Dry Oil. So what does it say? What it is? A Luxe Lightweight Dry Oil with Next Level Multi-Dimensional Shimmer. How to use. Shake, ball, massage into skin using fingers, or buff into skin with a brush. I wouldn't use a brush with it. That's kind of weird. Apply liberally to highlight your highlights. I don't know if I would ever do that. But anyway, there's that. A So Juicy Lip Gloss. The 5-Star Island Palette. The Jelly Matte Shadow in She Grown. the Super Shock Shadow in Basic Instinct, the Fluffy brush, I think it was called Medium Fluffy brush, the Fourth Ray Beauty Watermelon Face Milk, the eyeliner, or no, yeah, cream gel liner in Jubilee, which is like that hot pink color, and the Lippie Stick in the shade Sassy, and then the single Super Shock Shadow, or not Super Shock Shadow, Pressed Shadow, I guess it's Pressed Glitter in Sweet and Sour Glitters. So yeah, that's pretty good. I'll put the price down below. I'll try and do what other people did, and if things are up on their sale section, I know a lot of stuff might be gone already by the time I'm doing this, because a lot of the items that were in the boxes were already in the sale section. So you could have, if there were specific items that you saw in a mystery box, you could have just bought that item, which also was helpful for me though, because I did not purchase anything from the sale section for that specific reason. I didn't want to end up by accidentally getting like a double up of something. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with this. Like, it's a lot of stuff, and I think like everything in this I like. Like, there's nothing in here. The only thing that's going to be interesting is this. I've never used a liner like this color. I think that's the only thing that I'm like, this is going to be interesting. But everything else is like, I can just throw it on today. I know exactly what I'm doing with it. Anyway, if you like this little video, feel free to give it a thumbs up down below. And if you haven't already, I would love it if you did subscribe to my tiny little channel here in Toronto, Canada. I hope you're doing well, and I'll see you sometime soon. Bye.